Hello, we are back to look at the answers of practice two. So we have a little lens experiment here. So going over the answers, just a little reminder that the order of the questions is not an order of difficulty. So the first question might be hard and the second one might be easier. So there's no ranking of like easy to hard as you go through these. So if one's really tough, just move on and it might be a lot easier. So don't let that discourage you. So looking at 92, it leads us to activity two. So we're in activity two. We are looking at a fifth objective lens. Now be careful, it's not fifth in order. It's just saying that there's another lens that they're using. So they're saying this lens is 30 millimeters. So that puts us between 20 and 40. And it asks us for the predicted magnification. Well, it should be between 200 and 400. And that's why H is our correct answer. Now, the next question leads us back to activity two. We're looking at magnifications of these very small lines. So they are 1/10 of a millimeter. So what's going to matter is the magnification over here. And lens four has the greatest magnification. It takes the image and multiplies it basically by 400. So the answer is D. Now we're asked to look at slide C in activity one. So we're up here at table one looking at C, and they ask us how many times they see the double line, and that is twice, making G our answer. Now, the next question, we are referencing this equation down below, R equals lambda divided by 2 NA. It's okay if you don't know what lambda is, if you've never seen that Greek symbol before. It tells you right here lambda's wavelength. So here it says wavelength is 425, so we know to put that into our equation. So R equals 425 divided by 2. Now we need to find our NA value. So the clue is it is a objective lens 2. So going up here, our NA value is 0.25. So that gives us B as our correct answer. Now we're doing another prediction here. So there's a fifth lens again in activity 3. So it doesn't mean it's the fifth in order. It just means that there's another lens. They tell you that the R value is 1,830. So let's find where that would fall here. It'd be between NA 0.10 and 0.25. So I'm looking for a value between those two, and that is f.15. Lastly, they're asking you to look a little bit deeper at each of these experiments. So activity 1 and activity 2 differ in that activity 1 has 4 different slides were used. So we're looking at slides A, B, and D, whereas here we're looking at one image with different lenses. So our answer is A. Okay, so hopefully that helped a little bit to see where we got those answers, and I will see you next time.